In the heart of Hyderabad, something historic is being forged, not in temples or towers, but in titanium, carbon fiber, and steel. Not in celebration, but in strategy, not just for today, but for generations. I'm Uma, and this is Trendline Times. And today we are not just talking about jets, we are witnessing India carve its name into the sky. On June 5, 2025, India signed a historic deal with Dassault Aviation, but this time it was not just about buying jets, it was about building power. Dassault and Tata Advanced Systems inked 4 production transfer agreements, marking the first ever full fuselage manufacturing of Rafale fighter jets outside France, right here in Hyderabad. There is no symbolic step. India will build the full front, mid, rear, and side shells, the entire body of one of the most advanced fighter jets on earth. Not just parts, the powertrain of air superiority itself. This leap is not born out of pride, it is born out of purpose. The 63,887 crore Rafale Marine deal signed earlier this year brings 26 carrier-capable jets to India's Navy. But this Hyderabad move, it shifts India from consumer to contributor. India could soon claim up to 60% value addition for Rafale production. That's sovereignty in manufacturing. That's Atmanirbhar Bharat in full throttle. From building C-130JS and Apaches to now Rafales, Hyderabad has become the aerospace capital of India. With this deal, it will manufacture 2 complete fuselage every month by 2028, supplying not just Indian forces but global orders. This is not a Make in India factory, this is a Make for the World facility, and it stands as proof that Indian soil can craft global excellence. This is not just about metal and machines, it is about skill transfer, tech absorption, and long-term aerospace capability. French precision meets Indian innovation. Dassault legacy meets Tata's discipline, and a new generation of Indian engineers gets global aerospace DNA. With every fuselage, India is not just building jets, it is building legacy. Power does not only come from missiles and machines, it comes from mastery. From trust in your people, your tools, your talent. What's happening in Hyderabad is not just industry, it is intent. Intent to lead, to build, to defend. The world may still buy jets from France, but the body of that jet, the soul of that precision, will rise from Indian soil. I'm Uma, and this is Trendline Times. Don't just watch India's rise, witness it, understand it, and be part of it. If you believe in India's aerospace dream, hit like, share this with every patriot you know, and subscribe for sharp, honest insights that go beyond the headlines. Trendline Times, where the truth takes flight.